Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. All right, guys, let's talk about Forex trading versus cryptocurrency trading. When you look at these two guys, before I get into differences, let's talk about a few similarities. Both are currency pairs that you can trade. You have the foreign exchange, which is the exchange of one currency versus another, right? You're talking about U.S. dollar versus Great Britain pound, Japanese yen, euro, and so forth, right? So that's you're talking about the economies, the currencies of global economies, so a lot of different countries around the world. When you have cryptocurrency, guys, which is considered the people's currency right now, it's a digital currency, and it's made its impact. It's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. So you can trade it. You can trade digital. You can trade cryptocurrency just like you can trade forex. You trade it through where you don't have the physical money. You put it in a brokerage account and you can go press buy versus sell one versus another. So you can trade like Bitcoin versus the US dollar, just like you can trade a Great Britain pound versus US dollar. So those are things, that's one similarity. Another similarity, guys, is that when you look at the market, you're talking about some of the world's largest financial markets, if not the largest markets in the world. So you're not playing in a small pool of money. You're talking about with foreign exchange market being a $6.6 trillion per day market, over 20 times larger than the stock market. That's what you're tapping into, $6.6 trillion per day with Forex. And when you look at cryptocurrency, it's heading towards $1 trillion. So obviously it's the new kid on the block. It's here to stay, guys. It's not going anywhere, as I just said a few minutes ago. But those are some things where you're looking at being able to tap into it, being able to trade it. You can do that. And another cool thing is that when you look at brokers, where if you're trading Forex, there are definitely several brokers. More are starting to add it as well, where you can trade Forex and cryptocurrency on the same broker. All right. So obviously there are more similarities between them. Those are just a few things that I can think of off the bat, guys. You don't have to have any physical money to trade them. Again, like I said, you're trading them the same way, buying versus selling, the same format that you're trading Forex with, you're trading crypto with. So per se, you can take the same strategy, right? It's a good chance you got to obviously practice in your demo account, but the same strategy you're using to trade Forex, you can try to carry that strategy over and utilize it to trade cryptocurrency as well. All right, so let's talk about some differences between the two. One of the first things you want to look at, guys, is the options that you have from a standpoint of pairs, being able to choose and how many can you choose. Forex has so many more options than cryptocurrency. It's only about 18 cryptos right now. When you start looking at Forex, guys, between your major pairs, your crosses, your exotics, and all of those different things, right? You have a vast amount more options than you do with cryptocurrency. I believe it's like 50 something pairs that you can trade with Forex. Like I said, cryptocurrency, it's about 18 different cryptos. So you're going to be a little more limited. Also, the volatility. Guys, with Forex, it's a little more predictable because once you start trading certain currencies and start trading certain pairs, you can kind of know how they're going to move from a standpoint of volatility levels. Some pairs are just slower, more methodical moving pairs. Some pairs are going to be even, where they give you nice flowing movement. Then you get some pairs, guys, that are definitely erratic, unpredictable. Then obviously you have pairs that have a lot of volatility and move fast. Okay, with cryptocurrency, guys, it's just like it's still not the stability from the standpoint of being able to predict what it's going to do. It's still not there. It's a little more unpredictable, and definitely has a lot more higher volatility rates than what you're dealing with when it comes to Forex. Okay, so that's one of the things you want to look out for. The volatility is like crypto can be boom, moving nice and smooth, and boom, all of a sudden out of the gate it just spikes and takes off. That's just the way cryptocurrency is flowing right now. So that's something you want to look at as well. Another difference is in the times you can trade them. Forex is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. The market closes on Friday at the market closes at 4 p.m. It's 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it reopens on Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The cryptocurrency market never closes. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you're able to trade it, go in and start, obviously looking at some potential trade setups for you to take. So just trying to think off the bat, man, just understanding strategy, guys. With both, you want to go in with a strategy. And like I said, the same strategy you're using for Forex, you can potentially use that for cryptocurrency as well. I'm just trying to think of, when I'm looking at both of the markets, what's another thing for you to look out for? Obviously a lot of the same rules apply, using stop loss, using proper risk and proper leverage. All of those things definitely apply to both of them. But at the end of the day, guys, it boils down to a personal preference, which one better suits you, which one better suits what you're looking to accomplish, and what do you want to put your focus on learning. So when you look at that, guys, this is like one more difference I would say is that when you're trading them, you definitely want to have a bigger budget for cryptocurrency than you would with Forex. If you're going to trade it, guys, I would say like for Forex, is typical rule of thumb is 0.01 for every $100. Crypto is something like 0.02 it's like 0.02 for every for every $600 per se. So because of the way crypto moves and the spikes with it, right? The way it moves, being able to cover a larger spread and things of that sort. So that's another difference that you can look at and take heed to. So there's no set rule of thumb on that. That's just some suggestions of what I've been taught from different leaders in both of the different industries. So with that being said, guys, that's a few. I feel like I'm missing some. I know I'm missing some. It's probably going to come to me as soon as I finish up this video, but I do apologize if I can't think of them offhand. But from what I shared with you, I hope I've given you some insight to help you decide trading one versus another. Either way, guys, this is a great skill set to learn. Something can never be taken away from you, and I highly recommend you go learn them both. Great thing is, guys, if you want to tap into learning both, you can learn them both under one roof through a platform that I utilize, a complete academy, tools, resources dedicated to Forex, another one dedicated completely to cryptocurrency, guys, and binary options as well if you want to check that out. But to learn more about this platform, simply go to tradewithed.com or click the link below in the description box and it'll take you over to find out more about that potential opportunity for you to be able to put yourself in position to learn both Forex trading and cryptocurrency trading. All right, so thanks for your time. I hope you all got value. If you did, do me a favor, hit the like button. Want to hear more from you guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you all tomorrow. Have a great day.